baby girl? Where are you? Are you in your activity mat? Yeah. You like it, right, baby girl? Look at you. You're looking at all your toys? Huh? What are you looking at there? What do you see on all your toys, baby girl? Let's see what you got. You got a little sunshine and a mirror. We can see a reflection. Mommy can do this. Oh, yeah. Look at that pretty girl in the mirror. And you got a little, I think it's a bee. Yeah. You having fun? Look at you go. Listening to your favorite music? You're not even paying attention to the camera this time. What's your shirt say? Let's see, it says 50% mommy, 50% daddy, 100% cute. Don't you know it? Yes, that was it. That was it. Oh yeah, in baby language. All right, princess? Where's the pretty girl? Where's Abigail? There she is. Which do you like more? You like your sunshine? Huh? Looks like it. All right, we're going to sign off. You continue to play. See ya.